Good morning, family and friends. We're back from New York. It's Friday, the 20th, if I'm not mistaken. And we're out and about. The best thing about leaving on vacation on a Saturday and coming back on a Thursday is that you still have a 3-day weekend. That's how I do it. I love to do that. So we're out and about. About to run a few errands. Just wanted to pop in and say hello. I hope you all have had a great week. If you have not seen my vlog from Wednesday, which is the second part, or really the whole New York vlog, go back and watch that. I posted it on Wednesday. Go back and run it through. Hello to all my new subscribers. I've gained about 15 in the last 28 days. Hello, how are you all doing? I greatly appreciate you all being here. And to my old crew that's been here for, some of y'all been with me from day one. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yes, we're about to run errands. It is a beautiful day here in Georgia. Hot. It's gonna be like 89 degrees today. Like, it is September. We were having days in the 50s and 60s back in August in the mornings and the first of this month. I'm just ready for it to, chill out. Hello to everyone, babe.
Hey everyone.
This dude. This man overlook the shininess. I have on sun screen, of course, because the sun is bright here, y'all. But hey, I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna go ahead and get our day started. I hope you all, again, I hope you had a great week. We will chat with you a little bit later. Smooches. to close out the vlog. This is a very short vlog because, child, I really didn't feel like doing anything today. We were supposed to go to this festival today, but I've been resting. It's been feeling good sitting at home. But I just wanted to pop in because Sundays is documentary day. I love a good documentary. My husband will watch them. I can't say he loves them, but he will watch them with me. Do you love them, babe?
Are you speaking for me?
No, I'm not.
Yes, I love you. You know I love the documentary.
Okay. So we watched this documentary about the Beauty and the Bester, about this South African doctor who got involved with this serial rapist and murderer and just pretty much gave up her whole life for a man. That's number one. Number two, we started watching on what is it? What's the Netflix? What is it? Love Con?
Yeah.
Where these women, they have one man on there, but we're not gonna talk about him. These women who are trusting men and getting defrauded, the men come with all types of lies of how to swindle these women out of their money and not return it. So one thing, if I were to loan you $100 and you ask me, first of all, another thing, because I'm rambling, I'm going back and forth, but these men present themselves as well put together. They have their own money. They're successful. So if you are so successful, why do you need my money? That's the first flag for me, red flag. I'm just saying, if you are already successful, why do you need my money? Right? Ain't no way. Because the first $100, if I had loaned you some money and you had not paid it back, baby, I'm done with you. And first of all, why you keep asking me for money? No. But yeah, if you have not watched The Beauty and the Bester or Love Con on Netflix, both on Netflix, you should. Very interesting. But I just feel like as women, we have to be more careful. Because these men, I ain't gonna say all men, because I'm not gonna throw all men in there. They are very deceptive. They will tell you any damn thing to get whatever it is they want. And it's up to us to deny them access. Yes, we need to all take care of ourselves. As women, take care of yourself. Take care of you, your family, your kids. Do all that. Okay? Because I'm sick of seeing these shows of women being taken down through there because of their trust and love for a man who's only there to take advantage and take advantage of them and take everything from them and leave them with nothing and go on about their merry way. This man, the last one that we watched, he had scammed several women out of a total of over $300,000. He's riding around in a brand new Lexus sports car with the drop top, red interior, and they're getting kicked out of their homes, or they don't have anything. They don't have the things that they need, but he has everything because he scammed them. They would have had to call the police on me. I would have had a baseball bat ready for his ass. But that's neither here nor there, y'all. I'm resting. Don't pay attention to my locks. It's been a long week, and I gotta go. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. But I'm watching my show. I'm watching YouTube now. But we're about to get up, and probably have to run to the grocery store and pick us up something to eat. But other than that, y'all, I hope y'all had a great Sunday and a great week. And we'll chat with you again on Sunday. This is a very short vlog. The one that I posted on Wednesday, which is normally the short vlog, was 30-something minutes. So, watch this. Watch the one from Sunday, people. Get me monetized, please. And thank you. Smooches.